Welcome back in Arnav's chemistry classes. In today's lesson, we will discuss about another very important name reaction that is known as Wurth reaction, and this reaction is used for the preparation of alkane. Very important reaction. What we have to do, we need to take two molecules of haloalkane reacts with sodium in presence of dry ether and it releases alkane and sodium halide. This is very important method for the preparation of alkane. This is alkyl halide. Two molecules of alkyl halide treated with sodium in presence of dry ether used as a solvent and release the formation of alkane. So better we took an example like CH3Br. Both the alkyl part must be same, halogen must be same, 2Na, and this is dry ether. It liberates the formation of alkane ethane and two molecule of sodium bromide. This is CH3Br means methyl bromide. So this is used for the preparation of alkane. What you need to do, you have to take two molecules of alkyl halide or haloalkane and these two interacts together and results the formation of alkane. And this method is also used for the preparation of alkane having even number of carbon atom. Let's mechanize the reaction. This reaction is mechanized by the free radical process. What we have to do, we have to do two molecules of haloalkane and it undergoes homolytic fission, and like this each of the bonded atom acquires one single electron. So two alkyl free radical and two X free radicals are generated. Alkyl free radicals are interacting together and it forms alkane, and at last sodium has one free electron in its outermost shell, so it will combines with halogen free radical and form 2NaX, and this mechanism is known as free radical mechanism. I hope you understood the concept of Wurth reaction or Wurth reaction. This reaction is used for the preparation of alkane having even number of carbon atoms. The demerits of this reaction that the alkenes having odd number of carbon atom cannot be prepared by this method, and the first member of alkane family is also cannot be prepared by this method, and the last one is that the branch alkane cannot be prepared by this method. Okay, thank you.